Stronger doors, smarter access, strong, smooth, and secure. Effortless door access with MAVERICK EZ7000. Supports doors up to 300 pounds for large entryways. 412 wide x 618 height header offers a compact design suitable for various door frames. Low power consumption, reducing energy costs. Strong and reliable motor built for frequent use in busy areas. Adjustable settings for closing speed so your doors close gently and safely. Includes wireless handicap buttons for easy access. Heavy-duty drivetrain for durability, where we can use the product. Resorts, hotels, banks, shopping centers, office buildings. Advantages of products: touchless operation, effortless accessibility. Transform your doors into a smarter entryway. Automatic door and hardware.